Hello everyone, today we explore a fascinating idea, the internet as a metaphor for the global brain. And first, I will say about introduction, it's our first part, and the internet connects billions of people across the world, allowing instant communication and access to information. Every second, vast amounts of data are exchanged, making human interactions more complex and interconnected than ever before. Scientists and philosophers often compare the internet to a global brain, where individuals function like neurons and their interactions form a vast network of connections. Just as a brain processes thoughts, the internet processes information through websites, social media, and digital communication. This concept raises important questions like, is the internet evolving like an intelligent system? Can it develop consciousness? And what does it mean for the future of human society? In this video, we will explore these ideas and examine how the internet mirrors the brain in structure, function, and influence. The second part is about how the brain works. The human brain is made up of billions of neurons which communicate through electrical and chemical signals. Neurons form networks, and the more connections they create, the more efficiently the brain processes and stores information. These networks allow us to think, to learn, and adapt. Similarly, the internet consists of interconnected computers, servers, and users who share and process information globally. Each device acts as a node, much like a neuron in the brain, transmitting and receiving data. Just as the brain strengthens connections based on repeated use, the internet evolves based on human activity. Popular websites grow, algorithms adapt, and search engines refine results. The more active and connected a system is, the more complex and intelligent it becomes. Next part is the internet as a global brain. And in this part, we have 5 subparts. It's connections as neurons, information storage, artificial intelligence as cognitive processing, collective intelligence, and the last one is the internet's evolution. And the first one is connections as neurons. The internet functions like a giant neural network where each user, website, and device acts as a neuron. Just as neurons communicate through electrical signals, internet users exchange information through messages, posts, and searches. The more people interact online, the stronger and more complex the network becomes, just like the brain strengthening neural pathways through repeated activity. Social media, messaging apps, and forums serve as hubs where information spreads rapidly, mimicking neural transmissions. Next one is information storage, and the brain stores knowledge by forming connections between neurons, while the internet stores data on servers and cloud platforms. Search engines like Google and online database function as a global memory, allowing instant access to information. However, just as the brain struggles with information overload, the internet's data pool make it harder to filter truth from misinformation. Next one is artificial intelligence as cognitive processing. The brain processes data, recognize patterns, and make decisions similar to AI and machine learning on the internet. Recommendation algorithms on YouTube, Netflix, and Amazon predict user preference much like their brain anticipates outcomes. AI chatbots like ChatGPT simulate human-like conversations, enhancing the internet's ability to think and respond. As AI evolves, some speculate that the internet could develop forms of intelligence beyond human control. And first one is collective intelligence. Human progress relies on shared knowledge, and the internet amplifies this process. Platforms like Wikipedia and GitHub allow global collaboration, creating a vast, self-organizing system. Crowdsourced solutions, from scientific research to open-source software, show how collective intelligence strengthens the internet's problem-solving capabilities. And the last one is the internet's evolution. The internet continues to expand and integrate with new technologies like IoT and neural networks. Some research suggests that if AI and quantum computing advance further, the internet might develop into a fully autonomous system. This raises key questions like, will the internet become an independent intelligence? How much control should humans maintain? And what ethical responsibilities come with shaping this digital brain? And the internet as a global brain is more than a metaphor. It reflects how technology is reshaping human society.
The internet allows for rapid knowledge exchange, breaking down barriers to education and information. It enables people to learn at any time from anywhere through online courses, lectures, and open access resources. Global collaboration fosters innovation, helping humanity solve major challenges such as climate change, medicine, and space exploration. The spread of misinformation and fake news can distort reality, just as a malfunctioning brain can experience cognitive distortions. Information overload makes it difficult to filter out relevant knowledge, leading to stress and confusion. Addiction to social media and technology can alter human behavior, affecting attention spans and emotional well-being. Surveillance and data collection raise concerns about privacy and control as governments and corporations monitor online behavior. Just as a brain can develop disorders, the internet's global brain has vulnerabilities that must be managed carefully. The internet is more than just a tool. It's an evolving network that mirrors the structure and function of the human brain. It connects people, processes information, and continuously adapts, much like an intelligent system. However, like any powerful entity, its impact depends on how it is used. If humanity leverages the internet for knowledge, innovation, and collaboration, it can serve as a force for progress. But if misused, it can lead to misinformation, dependency, and ethical concerns. Ultimately, the internet's future and its role as a global brain is shaped by the choices we make.